This is actually our first major storm. It's not bad. It's almost January. It's been snowing for maybe a couple of hours, and it's coming down pretty doggone good.
There. Now I'm all set to move snow and feed hay to the horses. Well, here's the moment of truth. You're gonna see what it looks like outside after all this snow, and it's not even done snowing.
Hi guys, it's still currently snowing here, but I am headed out while it's still light out to go check on the horses and see how they're doing out there. They look pretty happy, but just want to get out there and check them all up close. I probably won't be able to talk to you all out there because it's kind of windy now, So I'll probably just put some music over going to check the horses. But then you can see them. Most don't have blankets on. They do just fine. The ones that don't do as well in this weather, we have blankets on. So you will see that. And I might show you guys some of the other animals, but I don't want to bother the chickens and them because they're inside and I don't want to scare them outside. But I can show you guys the cats a little bit. And the goats aren't very happy that they are inside, but it is very snowy outside, which you will see. So I will take you along with me as we go check on the different animals. Deputy's just chilling here. She sees no need to be out in it. She's nice and toasty. Sheriff's up top sleeping, so we won't go up all the way up and see him, but those are our two guardians out here. Here are a couple of our barn kitties, nice and snug in their straw bed. They seem pretty happy to not be outside in the snow. Here's our one chicken that lives in the barn. We have no idea why she lives in here, but she prefers to be in here by herself than with the other chickens. She just does her own thing. We call her Barn Chicken. Super cute. Here's Cookie, and behind her, Cotton Candy. They're really annoyed that they have to be in the barn at all. But otherwise, the snow would just blow in the door, so they gotta be in here. And here's Mr. Goat. He's happy. He's with everybody else, so he doesn't care. As long as he's with all his friends. Right, Mr. Goat? Alright, we're gonna go see the horses, so the rest of this will probably just be music. I can try to talk out there, but most likely it's too windy and you won't hear me. So it will either be me talking or music because it's too windy. But you can at least see how snowy it is out there. Okay, here's the snow. It's quite snowy. I had to start my phone before I came out because it's so cold. Not the coldest it's ever been. Ooh, this is snowman snow. Jasper. Fancy. Woo, oh, that's pretty. Tank, why are you snowy? Did you just get under here? My gosh. Your forelock is dirty. You need that cleaned. Baby RJ. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey. Why do you have hay all over your back? You block the whole camera. There we go. You guys toasty in your shed? Why don't you guys go back farther? It's warmer back in there. Oh, look at that snow. So as you can see, most of them are in their nice warm shed. Some of them are out here eating. This is the pasture. It's just snow. Just snow. Woolly pony playing in the snow. As long as you get like unlimited hay out here and stuff, they do pretty good in the snow. But we do blanket, obviously, if they're cold. Donkey over there. Snow. There it is. We'll keep checking them throughout the day. If we have to bring them in, we will. If we don't have to, they'll stay out here. No, the only tracks are mine right now. All right, let's look look out at the landscape here. I don't know if you saw my short from yesterday about the snow starting, but here it is now. Car is pretty snowed over. Here we go. It's just white. Snowy. So yeah, that's pretty much snow update.